I remember seeing Sandra Lee's ice cream potato video a long time ago, and I thought it was kind of interesting then, and people make fun of it now, but I thought I'd go ahead and try it and see what it tastes like. I changed things up a little bit and did it the way I wanted to do it, but it basically follows the recipe here.
How cute is this dessert? I love this.
So I'm adding some cocoa powder into this bowl. I basically just used a small Bluebell vanilla ice cream container and tried to shape it into the shape of a potato. All right, here we go. Dust that around a little bit. All right, so there's our potato. I'm going to wrap this in tin foil and freeze it again. I wish I would have thought of this to use this instead of cocoa powder. I'll bet you that would taste good because I remember putting this on ice cream when I was younger. I'm just going to add an extra dose of chocolate to make this taste better, and it's going to be Nesquick. I want the butter to look like this. All right, so I melted the butter a little bit. Now I'm going to add some confectioner sugar. Might have to add a little bit of milk. I'm going to add some yellow food coloring because this doesn't look yellow enough to represent butter. Okay, I got this nice and firm, but it looks orange. It doesn't look yellow. Does it look yellow? All right, here's my 3 cubes of butter. And this is what real butter looks like. And this is what my butter looks like. It's a little orangey, but it'll do. All right, this is supposed to be the chives, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of green food coloring. And I'm gonna sprinkle some nuts because these are supposed to look like chives. All right, last the thing we need is something that represents sour cream. All right, does that look like sour cream? All right, I have all the ingredients I need. I have my baked potato right here. Oh my gosh. Sort of. Okay, I'm sorry I have to do this one-handed. All right, let's cut it open like a potato. All right. Here's the so-called sour cream. Put it right in there. Let's sprinkle some delicious chives. There we go. And let's add a stick of our delicious butter there that looks orange, but maybe it looks yellow because it has nothing to be compared to. All right. What do you think? All right, let's taste this and see if it tastes any good. Hey, it kind of looks like a potato for a second, doesn't it? Except for the chives, those are not passable. And that's way too hard, but I'll get a little piece of that. All right, I'll tell you what it tastes like. You know, it's not half bad. And if you made that a little softer, that butter, it actually might be a good addition. Sandra Lee had a lemon frosting, but I didn't want lemon. I didn't think lemon went well with chocolate. I mean, it's kind of messy. It's kind of clever. Novelty item. Something I wouldn't make again, but it was fun. I'm going to wrap this up, put it in the freezer, and see what my husband thinks when he gets home. Honey, I made you something. I made you a potato.
Okay.
Here, try this.
Huh?
Try it.
Cold.
You don't want a cold potato? Baked potato?
I can't even see it. What?
Okay.
That's pretty good potato. Except it's ice cream. Of course, you did give it to a blind man.
Oh, because you don't have your glasses on? Did it look like a potato?
Well, yeah, it looked like a potato. It looked like it's got butter hanging off of it. And
You like it? How many stars?
ice cream, I give ice cream 5 stars.
Okay, Bluebell.
It's Bluebell?
Yeah.
Yeah, just get 6 stars.
Okay.